You're near the end of reading a very good book, and you're about to stop, but then you're like, wait, I don't have a bookmark. No fear, I'm presenting you the corner bookmark. It's so cute and so functional, and you're in luck because today I'll teach you how to make that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable bookmarks. They're very functional, they're great for kids, and they're very easy to make. So let's get started. This is classified as origami, so take a square piece of paper. I'm going to take a green piece of paper because I need to replicate this monster bookmark on the left. Flip it upside down and fold the page in half diagonally so it forms a triangle. The colored part on the outside. And then once you do that, you need to fold the corners into the center to form a diamond shape. It should look something like this. Now, when that's done, you need to unfold it and take only the first layer of the top part and fold it down the middle, lining up with the creases you've made previously. Make sure to always fold the lines really nicely so you get a clean, finished product at the end. And now you need to stick the corner parts inside the flap. So this might be a little bit tricky, but you want to grab the corner and fold it right into the flap and keep pushing it in until you reach the end. Just like this, and fold it really nicely so it stays there. Then do the same with the other side and you should get something like this. Turn it upside down and this is your shape for your corner bookmark. It's the base shape, and now all that is left to do is to decorate it, which is everyone's favorite part. We're making a monster, so we're going to be needing monster accessories like sharp teeth, eyes, stuff like that. So grab a white piece of paper or scrap piece of paper and draw those shapes onto it. I've drawn the shapes, so I've drawn some really pointy teeth and 2 circles for the eyes. Now cut them out, and then we'll get to sticking them on. Once they're cut out, you should try adjusting it to your bookmark like this. Make sure everything fits. If your teeth are too long, then cut them. Otherwise, you just have to stick them on, and for the eyes, you can put them anywhere on the green part. It should look something like this now, and once that's done, you need to create a mouth. So you can choose from red, tongue, or mouth, or a pink one. I'll be doing pink, and I just cut like this really wonky diamond shape, so when I put it into the monster, it aligns pretty nicely. I've glued that in place now, and almost everything is ready. I need to draw the pupils on, so I'm just going to draw 2 black dots. Ooh, it looks a little bit cross-eyed, but that's okay. And that's it, then you're done. You can add any finishing details. This looks a bit boring, a little bit too similar to the one I done on the left, so I'm going to change it up a bit, maybe put some really weird eyelids on. But I'm also going to make it a mean monster. Since the other one was a nice monster, this is going to be a very angry one. Who knows, maybe you'll put this bookmark in a textbook that you're studying for a test, which you really, really hate. I made mine into a girl, and as you can see, she looks pretty angry, mean. But hey, you finished your bookmark, and it looks fantastic. Now all that's left to do is to use it whenever you need it. These crafts are so great for kids, and you can make thousands of other things. You can make different varieties of monsters, like a purple one maybe. You can make an owl, which is very ideal for reading Harry Potter. You can make a minion, that's my favorite one. Or you can make animals, like this cute panda I've done. There are so many animals you can make, and so many different designs, so don't just stop yourself at just one bookmark. These are very useful in many ways. Like you can be reading a textbook in school, but class ended, and you're going to forget the page very quickly. Well, just put the bookmark, slide it on, with that cute face or angry face looking at you, you'll never forget your page ever again. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Give a big like if you think this craft was amazing and useful. And don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!